Come over here and throw me. Yeah. And that's it. We're good.
Now what am I supposed to do? I'm stuck over here.
You jump up. Skills.
Nice. We did it. Z, through the power of friendship, we have succeeded.
Barely.
Well, you know.
Didn't
We got
even
an A.
Didn't even get it.
We got an A, okay?
Didn't get the time, but you didn't get an A+. It's not good enough. Not good enough. There's no boat. There's no
You
boat.
need to jump up. Oh.
There's no boat.
Yeah, it's because you need to hit that. Oh, my controller died. Are you kidding me?
And there's the
Kidding me
boat.
right now.
Hi, Jordan.
Come back here, Z.
Hi, Jordan.
Come here. Come here, Z. Come here, Z. Get over here. No. Bad Z. Bad Z. Come here.
Yeah, you can just jump in. Like how it goes really fast when we're both holding forward.
You gotta
Oh
hurry.
god, oh god, oh god,
Oh,
oh god.
man.
Aha! Oh, it wasn't that bad. Have to jump. Oh yeah, that's right, you have to climb the poles like a little cat. And then we gotta throw each other. Throw me!
You
Throw me.
I'm on the right side right now.
Oh, throw you! I'm a cat. Alright. Push me. Push me. Push me. Push me. Yay! And I was going without you.
Wow, you're just mean.
Well, you're being mean to me. Jordan?
Yes?
Of course, you go for the teleportation thing. You don't want to climb the pole like a cat.
What in the world's going on? Oh, watch it, watch it, watch it! No!
Oh, I'm so good! Look at that! I need the yarn ball.
I got
thing.
there first.
Probably gonna get record time.
Maybe. Maybe we will.
I didn't even see the yarn ball. Alright. What?
Nope.
How do you get the time thing?
You gotta go fast, man.
I go like 30 seconds? We need to get a time thing. Alright, so this is gonna be all new levels, I think.
Not for me anyway. 1 second. Let me see how far they went on my account. Okay, yeah, up till here.
Well, that's on your account, though. Come on, let's go right here.
These are encore levels, though, over here. Oh, what in the world?
Encores?
What in the world?
Just gotta go through it all again. Okay. Did I see an audience in there?
I'm probably gonna have to, like, run in and,
Alright, let's go! We don't know this
go
anymore.
run into my kitchen and get some more batteries.
God, what? You just turned your controller on again?
Yeah, I just turned it back on again. It's working fine still.
You go run in your kitchen. Go, Jordan, go! What are you doing?
Nice.
What are you doing?
What?
Kitchen!
Ow! Well, thanks for that.
Oh my god. I just killed myself with the bubble.
Don't fart bomb me.
This thing is
oh
so
man!
useless.
Yeah, I just killed myself with my frog bombs.
Well, seems to be a lot more death in this level. How do you even? Oh, there's a jetpack. Oh my god.
Use your jetpack to get that last one. Great. Now he failed. Oh no! And then I just died.
No! Can we go back?
Yeah, we can.
Ow. Okay. 2, 3. Alright, good. Hi, George. No. Yay. And
How
then
am I supposed to?
Can you jump? Can you jump? Maybe you can make it.
Maybe I'm supposed to get a jetpack.
Does it say? It says I'm supposed to help you. I could have.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay, that works.
Instead of accepting my assistance, you kill yourself. You're like, I'd rather die instead of get help.
Oh no! Oh, what? Are you kidding me? Yeah, that's what you get right there. I think I need to throw you, Z.
God damn it!
Jump quick!
Alright, I gotta help you.
Oh,
Accept my help!
Ah!
Accept my help! It's not that bad!
What are you talking about? Come here.
Bad. God. What is this thing? Whoa.
It's like an elevator.
Ah.
Watch it.
Oh, it's gonna squish me.
Push the boat over for me. Get out of the boat, dog.
You have to jump in. Alright. Go. You let me die.
I didn't let you die.
Stay on it.
Agent Coulson!
Seriously?
Agent Coulson!
I don't like the bubble thing because it moves up.
Froggy's coming.
Pretty useless.
Froggy's coming. Froggy just got annihilated right now.
I just collected a thing. I think that guy was holding it. You just got one too. I think we got everything. Wait, you got the yarn ball?
Yes.
Oh.
I think.
Wow.
Look at that.
Record time? No?
Nope.
Not good enough.
We're just not good enough, see?
People are gonna hate us. Unsubscribe. Unsubscribe.
Okay.
I had to kill you, I'm sorry. Is there a boat at all? No, it's not.
Watch and see.
I died. And I think it's your fault. Beat this guy. Okay. We really need to use... Okay. And then you didn't die. You actually didn't die.
Yeah, so?
Why didn't you die?
I'm supposed to die here?
Yeah.
Sorry
Thanks,
about that.
Jordan!
Wow, what in the world?
Yeah, I got in. You thought you got away.
Ah, no!
Yeah, that's what you get. Get that thing.
Hey, wait a second.
What? Yeah, there's a thing right there. I don't know what it is. Oh, look at you. Well, I'm gonna go this way. But there's other things over here. Lots of extra things. Something up here too. You got zapped. Haha.
But I got the extra thing.
You got the thing. Hold on, Jordan. Got the thing.
Good job, Z.
I how to get out of here.
This way.
God damn it. Where are you going?
This way.
He almost got squished.
I'm going as fast as I can. Oh man.
Okay, I guess I was.
There we go.
Sure.
You were just blocking the thing, I guess.
Yes.
Nice. Good job, Z.
That was terrible.
Z, it was a good job. A
terrible.
job well done. In fact.
Oh, we got the time!
Oh, we did!
A++.
Look at that, Z. Look at that. You see? Someday I knew we were gonna do it.
Even though we did it in like our first couple runs.
What?
I,
Why'd you just do that? I gotta throw you, buddy.
because I wasn't feeling great.
No.
You threw me right in the fucking... You almost did it again, too.
Okay, get over there. Make my bridge.
I hope you died. Almost died.
Oh! Are you kidding me? Wow!
Thanks, Jordan! You crushed me with the boat. I didn't know you could even do that.
I didn't even know you could do that either. See ya. Oh man!
Just punch that guy.
Ow! You punched me! Ow!
Punch the starfish. Okay.
Oh no!
I didn't kill you. Okay. Hopefully they don't get killed.
Oh, I just got stuck up on that. Oh, that's great. Oh, I just got zapped on that. That's great.
You go, there's a boat here. Hi.
You missed the thing back here.
Oh, I did. Oh, shit! What was all that? Jordan!
Yes?
Come on!
1 second.
Seriously?
I need you over here.
Seriously?
Okay, well, I'm coming back.
Oh god.
Lee,
Oh
come
god!
back here. Come back here, come on. You. There, you're okay, great, you're up there. Sweet. Okay, 1 second.
Oh, it's not up there.
Well, there's a green thing. Come here.
Oh god. Oh god.
Oh, great, you did your double jump.
Huh. Hi. I'm on your head.
Hi.
Like your hat? What the heck? Is that it? Probably something.
Sure.
Probably something over here. Alright, we gotta be quick. Okay, you go on the left side. Oh, okay.
Oh, man.
Oh god, I'm up here! Yes! The yarn ball. Get the yarn ball. Yeah! Oh god! Okay.
Lee?
Hi.
Oh, man! No!
Walls left. God, so much stuff! Alright, got that one. And another emerald! And
Oh, man.
there's the exit up here! Jordan, we gotta get out of here! Yay.
We got out. Good job. Good
That
job,
was
Z.
probably not a record time.
I would not say it is. It's like the ones that we don't think are record times are record times.
We'll see. Yep. Oh,
Nope.
we didn't get something else either.
What? What do we? Oh, we missed one of the emeralds.
Oh, what the fuck? God damn it.
Oh well.
What is this thing?
So this is the boss. There
Stop
are.
it. Let's look
Yeah,
at
we don't need to do the encore things
Go to the boss. We're gonna fight
or
the
whatever
giant
this
cat.
thing is. It's a
Looks like it's a giant cat.
giant kitty cat.
Frankenstein. Are these like Minecraft things?
Yes.
They're like zombies
That's
and
my
then pig.
tofu. That I have a shirt of that thing right here.
Really?
Yep.
Are they
Oh, there's
Minecraft
the
things?
kitties.
Is that like a Minecraft reference?
No, I don't think so. I don't even know where we're going right now.
This one we're going in there. But we have a minute and a half to do something. What are we doing?
Okay.
Guys, I get to start at the very beginning, apparently. We gotta go. We gotta. Oh god.